Hello friends, this is Yrvind. The boat slipped and fell, but I think she survived. However, it was not the intention. It was a clamp who went away. This is the one who slipped. Well, here it is. Come on. Looks nice anyway. So, now I got a good anchor point here. Well, I was just gonna do the anchor point when it slipped and fell. So, this was the last chance he had to fall. Well, it's below. It's always good to have these things, and now it's even more easy to turn the boat around. I'm gonna do one here on the other side too. So now we are bringing her back. 3 chain hoists is at work. The first one on the bow, one in the middle, and one in the back. So she fell again. Now on the other side. Now she's upright. No, it was this clamp who slipped. Well. So this is really strong clamps. Still was not enough. Like this one. Well, it bend. So you can see it's not straight anymore. So just have to throw him away. Well, it's a good clamp. Was a good clamp. Well, I'm learning all the time. So now it's a new system I'm going to start. Hello again. Now I made a mock-up for a centerboard. Bow board. It's in here. And there's not much space there. But with no shoes and not much clothes, I can get in there, turn around and get out again. It would be a good thing if I get rid of 5 kilo weight, 5 kilo fat, and about this big below the waterline is a centerboard. It would be better with bigger, just for sailing, but it's the same with money, you know. You have a little money, it would be better, with more, but you have to do with what you have. So, well, I try to now just myself here, but when people come, I ask someone to make a video, me getting in and out. So now I don't want the boat to fall again. Here I'm preparing for 6 anchor points. I'm gonna glue them on and drill holes in them. They're gonna sit in this corner, here, and also in the back. So luckily boat is not big. Big boats get more damage. A friend of mine had a 40-foot boat that fell over. Well, it got a big hole in the side, you know, just before he's gonna leave for a ocean passes. Rolf Eliasson, he wrote this book, Principles of Yacht Design. So, if everything goes okay, this will be dry tomorrow, and then I can drill the holes in them. And then I don't have to worry about the clamp slipping.